Welcome. In this video, I'll show you two ways to start a project from a template here in Basecamp. Alright, so start by logging into your Basecamp account, and then once done, you can go ahead and click on View Templates right here. Select from one of your templates, click on it, and then once done, just go ahead and click on Start a New Project from this template. Unfortunately, you won't be able to create a new project if you only have the free account. Alright, make sure that you have the upgraded version of Basecamp. Now, another option is by going to Home once more, and you should be able to see a Make a New Project in here, okay? Besides Invite People, you'll see a button that says Make a New Project. Just click on it, and then the next page, you can go ahead and click on Choose a Project Template. All right, and in the next page, just click on the drop down and select the specific template that you would like to use. And once done, give it a name, add a description, and just hit on the Create This Project button. All right, there you have it. That is how to start a project from a template here in Basecamp. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.